G'day guys.
Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Today we got these three cars going head to head, doing a little bit of mudding. Heaps of full send. Some convoy driving. And a bit of time down by the creek. So this is my mate's scx10ii, which is completely stock. He's recently bought it off the internet and he's pretty much done nothing with it apart from a few cosmetic mods. He's only put a metal bull bar on the front and a metal steering link underneath because it's like spaghetti. He's put some lights on top as well and rock sliders down the side and only some metal gears in the transmission. But apart from that, this car's completely stock. And today we're going to be testing it against our scx10ii base camp and 10.2 trail honcho down the bottom there, which is highly modified. So can the stock car compete with the modified and or better version cars? We started off our day in a convoy driving in the culvert, making our way to our local preschool where we drove up the slide and had a bit of fun. Base camp's first up with its full send. Honcho couldn't quite make it up where the base camp did, so had to go around. Same thing happened with the deadbolt. Yeah. So the next place we're gonna go with the cars is up that mountain over there. There's a set of tanks. We're gonna walk all the way around and go up there because there's a bit of a track up there. Guys, be sure to stick around to the end where I give you my opinion on the deadbolt and how it's going. Guys, if you like what you see here on this channel, please be sure to like and subscribe and comment if you have any suggestions on what else you want to see these three cars do. Alright, so we've made it up to behind the tanks. The tanks are just around us. And we're just going to climb up on all the rocks up here and then across over to the top and all the way down over there as well. So there's quite a bit to do up here. Again, the base camp's up first on this line. It's pretty grassy and overgrown at the moment, but the cars push through and do pretty good on the track anyway. Deadbolt's up next, but as you can see, the grass is really giving it a workout. The car's just not as heavy as the other crawlers, but it's still doing really good. My honcho's up now, and it seems to get a fair bit of traction, but sorry about the noisy transmission in it. It's getting a bit old and a bit worn, but she still does pretty good for her age. Now the base camp tries this pretty shaly hill and does a pretty good job. Scrabbles for a bit of traction, but does really good. Now the deadbolt's up. Again, scrabbling for a bit of traction, but driving the hill in the end really well. Deadbolt's currently trying to drive down a vertical cliff, which didn't go to plan at all. Now the base camp's turn. Smooth. Poncho's turn. Yep, did the same as the deadbolt. Now it's time to get these crawlers stuck in some mud. As you can see, the base camp's up first, which gets stuck in 4 conveniently placed holes under the wheels. Honcho's turn now, but instead of driving straight into the 4 holes, try and dodge it. Gets a little bit stuck in the center, but pulls through really well.
Oh! I did not think that was gonna do that.
I may have been right in the point of view of it's all over my face.
Oh no! I'm so sorry.
Wyatt threw the rock in the mud.
And it just went everywhere. I didn't think it was gonna do that.
I didn't think I was that stupid to put myself in the way.
Oh.
It's all over my phone now too.
I'm sorry. I thought it was gonna freaking just absorb it, but it just
No, it just sunk.
Oh my god.
Again, my honcho gets stuck in 4 conveniently placed holes that were just dug by the base camp moments earlier. Deadbolt's turn, but Talon makes a nice drive here. It struggles a little bit, but didn't stop because you can see it edging forwards. Then Sam had to just drive straight in Talon's tracks just to make him look bad.
Yeah, that's a good shot.
Military rear diff center is white.
Now Sam told us all that he was just gonna wash the undercarriage of his crawler in this nice mud puddle. We're currently on our way down to the river to have a bit of a splash around and show Talon around with his deadbolt. And the river's just down there, so we'll be there in a sec. At the start of this little rock pile, Talon actually chooses a very nice line and just allows the deadbolt to walk right through. But in this situation right at the end, it'd be really nice to have portals because these straight axles just seem to bash on everything. this marks the end of our day with the deadbolt, the honcho, and the base camp all together. All in all, the base camp has done really well. The honcho has definitely outperformed. Psych. And the deadbolt has done very well considering how introductory level it is. Introductory level it is. It's done really good. So, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll just all throw our thongs at the cars because Sam decided to do that. Watch out your thong doesn't float away, Sam. You have to go and get that. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. And oh my god, you splashed me. Please click on another video. That'd be very nice.